In a world driven by innovation, ideas alone are not enough. They need structure, guidance, and a place to grow.
Looking at Nasarawa State University, Keffi, with a well-developed geosciences and also mining departments in the university, UNDP decides to host this MINE-TECH UNIPOD in Nasarawa State University so that the UNDP will leverage on the expertise in the university to provide sustainable solution in terms of mineral development. This will go a long way in positioning the university globally as a center of excellence. One of the goals of the program as a whole is to see that we provide hands-on skills to the artisanal farmers, hands-on training to our students, not only to our students, but the populace of Nasarawa State, to also pilot innovative solutions in green energy to provide additional value in what the miners are doing.
A vision to move beyond theory and empower students to build transformation through innovation.
UNIPOD actually stands for University Innovation Pod. It is being implemented by the United Nations Development Programme in collaboration with the Federal Government of Nigeria and other funding partners like TED Fund, individual state governments, and so on. Now, there are different unipods, about 7 of them, across the 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria. The Nasarawa State University is the MINE-TECH Innovation Hub, hoping to provide solutions and products that actually lead to smart mining, green mining, where ESG forms the focus. The MINE-TECH Unipod brings together stakeholders from the whole value chain of mining, from exploration, from exploitation, processing, and then value addition as well. So solutions can be co-created so that what comes out of universities will no longer be just research products in terms of theses and so on. It now becomes research that is targeted at problem solving. The MINE-TECH Unipod is here to ensure that mining is done in an environmentally friendly way and that there's economic diversity attached to it.
Unipod is an innovation hub where learning meets application and ideas are developed into real-world solutions. The Geochem suite, where samples are analyzed and critical data is generated to assess resource quality and environmental impacts. The Geotech laboratory, transforming data into solutions through modeling, simulation, and efficient system design. In the Build lab, ideas become physical through rapid prototyping and locally driven innovation. The ecosystem space, where collaboration drives innovation, connecting ideas to industry and real-world opportunities. Together, these units form a complete innovation cycle, from analysis to design to creation and ultimately to real-world application.
I've learned how to operate and use the CO2 laser cutting machine to fabricate digital designs on non-metallic materials such as wood, acrylic, and many more.
Prior to this time, I didn't know how to make designs in 3D. I don't know how to go about that, but right now I can design in 3D and solve 3D related problems that has to do with 3D designs.
Beyond skills, it builds confidence and the ability to create.
The Unipod is a center that houses so many young people that are tilted towards innovation driving, that have zeal to innovate something. So as the facility manager, what I do is to guide the students as to which of the sections they can fit in.
The MINE-TECH Unipod has actually impacted me in so many ways. For instance, in the field of geology, equipment are very real, which give me more insight and more knowledge to know about this equipment. For instance, the flame photometer, the pyrolysis, and so many of them.
During my undergraduate studies, I was opportune to be among those that were trained in MINE-TECH Unipod. So those that trained us left here immediately after the training. I later graduated from the school, but I have to come back to the Unipod so that the knowledge that has been given to me, I have to impact it to others.
From students to mentors, creating a cycle of growth and innovation. In a world that demands solutions, the ability to build matters. At Unipod, students don't just learn, they create. Unipod, building solutions from the ground up.